Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to recover your Brawl Star account. This is an easy process to do. The first step is go to your browser, and you need to search Supercell support. Supercell is the company, the development company of Brawl Stars, the creators of Brawl Stars. So you need to pick here in Supercell support, and after that you need to pick here in support, and in the principal page you need to pick in Brawl Stars, and pick here in I lost my account. So they give to you a page where explain what happened, and after that you need to pick here in this blue link where it says recover it yourself, and the only thing you need to do but for complete the process is follow the steps that they give it to you for recover your account. So this is a process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.